Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In this video, I want to share with you how you can change or hide the WordPress login URL. Okay, so by default, if you add a /wp-admin in every WordPress website, you will see this login screen. So this is the reason why a lot of automated scripts, automated robots are trying to log in to WordPress website to gain access to the WordPress dashboard. So if you know or if you are aware that there are a lot of attacks attacking your login URL, the best way is to change the login URL so that the robots won't be able to attack the page at all because you have changed the login URL. So in order to do that, we need to install a simple plugin to help you to change your login URL. Okay, so now I'm at my WordPress website dashboard. So let's go to plugins and add new plugin. And this plugin is called WPS Hide. Okay, so this plugin is called WPS Hide Login. It has a lot of installation, 1 million plus installation. So we are going to install this. Click on install now. And after that, I'll teach you how to change the login URL. So once it has been installed, just click the activate button. Okay. So once it has been activated, you can on the plugin page, go to the WPS hide login option and click on the settings over here. And it will bring you to the settings option. Okay, so by default, it is WP-admin. So if you use back this URL, a lot of automated robots will still be attacking your website. So what I encourage you to do is that you can put in some random numbers, for example, T, then you can put in some random number, and this will be save changes, and this will be the new login URL. Okay, never use a simple URL like admin because it's pretty much the same as WP-admin. It's easy for the robots to guess. Also, don't use any of your password in the path. Okay, very important is that you need to remember this path because the next time when you log into your website, you need to access this URL. Okay, so for example, so this can be my login URL, for example, and then I click Save Changes, and then make sure you save this URL in your bookmark. Okay, and next time when you log into your website, you can just click here and then you can log in. Okay, so I hope that this video is helpful for you to learn how to change your login URL for your WordPress website. If you have any questions, just feel free to post in the question area below. Thank you.